Welcome to Chapman Grand. My name's Josh Mandel, and I'm going to be an RA on the 3rd floor.
I'm Taylor Hakimi, and I'll be the RA for the 2nd floor.
Me, Taylor, and all the other RAs are so excited to meet you guys.
This video only applies to those who are moving in on Thursday, August 25th.
In this video, we're going to explain a little bit about the move-in process and what it's like. Make sure for move-in, you come down Mason Lane and you park in the parking structure. RAs will be outside to direct you.
Before checking in, make sure that your daily COVID clearance email is completed, otherwise we won't be able to allow you into the building. If you haven't received the email, you can check out chapman.edu/amiclear. After you park, proceed to outside the lobby area to check in and get your paperwork. Your ID card cannot be broken or damaged, so make sure if it is that you go through the ID card website to get a new one.
Once you get all of your paperwork, take your ID card to the lobby to get it encoded for your apartment. If you have any packages, go to the lobby designated area. Check your email and your junk mail for any notifications.
Moving cards will be provided on the 1st floor of the parking garage right outside the mailroom. A driver's license will be needed as collateral since there's a 1-hour time limit to check out a moving card. On move-in day, make sure that all your trash goes to the dumpsters that will be right outside of the lobby. Don't put any of your trash on the patio or outside of your door. After moving all of your belongings into your apartment, please move your vehicle to the top floor of the parking structure so that other residents can move in easier.
All Chapman-owned furniture needs to stay in the apartment. If you need help moving furniture, visit the table in the lobby.
Every apartment should have 2 COVID tests per resident in there, and if you don't have enough, visit the staff in the lobby to get some more.
The shuttle stop is right outside of Grand, right here just down Betmore. If you want to get on the shuttle, you'll need your Chapman ID and your COVID clearance email. You can download Passio Go to track the shuttles, and the Chapman shuttle runs about every 15 to 20 minutes.
If you haven't already, make sure to follow us on Instagram at Chapman_Grand.
If you have any other questions at all, email your RA.
We hope that your moving goes smoothly.
And we're very excited to meet you all.
Bye!